Welcome to the demonstration of DayFlow, a modern human resource management system built for seamless workforce operations, as described in the problem statement. So, architecturally, DayFlow is built with a decoupled client-server model. The front end is powered by React 19, TypeScript, White, and Tailwind CSS, while the backend runs on Node.js, Express, and PostgreSQL using Prisma ORM version 7. So, we'll start with the project demonstration. So this is the login page. So first we'll do login of the admin. So we'll just put the admin email, or we can also put the admin ID instead of email for the login here, which is this. So for now we'll just use the admin email or ID, anything. So we'll also write the password. Currently it is already stored in the database. So and for this authentication we have used JWT. Yeah, so we have signed in into the admin dashboard. So basically, in this dashboard, the admin can see the list of employees working in their company. So these are the employees. And for example, admin wants to see the details of Amit Parma, who is financial analyst. So he can press his profile and go here, and he can see the skills, certifications, etc. Anything detail about the employee, also the private information, including the bank account number, PAN number, etc., and the salary information. And this salary is calculated based on the already fixed system or the architecture of the company. When base salary, actually the HR can simply put the base salary, and other things like this house rent allowance, etc., are calculated automatically by the system. We'll also see that later. And basically, the main thing for which we designed this portal is to track the attendance and to manage the leaves, right? So here the admin can see the attendance details. Okay. So this is the admin's attendance because admin is also one employee. The person behind the admin must also log in and mark their attendance, right? So this is for their attendance, and to see other people's attendance, they can simply go to the time off, and they can see the details here, and they can track the request from the other employees. Suppose Mr. Amit Verma has requested for sick leave, and the admin can simply approve or reject his request. Also, we have added one feature here so that the admin can see the validation documents submitted by the employee to verify their request. For example, this is the certificate. This is just for demo submitted by the this account. So basically, from here, he can approve the request or the leave. So now it is approved. So yeah, this is basically the admin portal. And from here, the admin can also add new employee. We'll just do that. Mm, we can put anything is required here. Job position, or maybe ST, location, mm, Bangalore, or department, maybe product. Yeah. So now employee is created. And here the system automatically generates the new employee's login ID and the password, which can be later forwarded to the employee, and employee can also change their password later. So yeah, this is basically the admin portal. Now we'll just log out of here or simply open another tab and log in with one employee's ID. So for this, I'll take Rahul's ID. So we can, I already said we can also log in with email ID or the company ID both. In this case, we'll log in with email ID. So we have signed in, and Rahul can also see the details of his fellow employees in the company. But as Rahul is employee, not HR or admin, he cannot see the private details of other employees. He can only see the basic details like their department, phone number, skills, etc. So now for Rahul Kumar, the attendance portal is this one. So for today, he can check in. Yeah. So he had checked in today. That will be visible in admin portal later. And this is the calendar for the Rahul. And we have also added the holidays list according to the Indian national holidays calendar. And this is the working days. They are marked as green. And these are basically the indexes. And suppose uh, I have to create a new request for a new leave, then I'll just go here and I'll just select unpaid leave. It is paid leave or sick leave. Maybe we'll just select sick leave from, let's say, Tuesday to Wednesday. Yeah, for 2 days. And we have to upload the validation document also. So for validation document, I'll just upload anything which is already there. And I'll just put remark right for it. Now this is submitted, right? Now we'll just go to admin portal and see the request made by Rahul Kumar. So I'll just refresh this and we can go here and we can see request. Yeah, Rahul Kumar's request has come here, and we can also see the validation document submitted by him. Yeah, this is the photo that we submitted from Rahul Kumar's account, and we can just see this using admin portal. This also works with HR credentials also. Now we can just approve or reject. Now it is approved. Now we'll just go to Rahul Kumar's portal and see my request. Yeah, now the sick leave is approved. This is the document that you submitted. Yeah, so basically this is the system that we made for this problem statement. And we can also scale this by adding as many employees as required. And currently this is running locally. If we want to deploy it, we can use other services and implement CI/CD pipelines to deploy later. Yeah, so currently it is running locally, and you can also try it out by seeing our code base on the GitHub. Thank you.